As sales manager for the 168 manufacturing product, I regularly recommend the Venturi product to our customers. I believe that it would do the same thing for them that it does for us, which is save them time, money, and spend on coolant. Due to the mindset of our company wanting to do as much unattended manufacturing as possible, LNS is part of pretty much all of our machining cell solutions. And to us, one of the things that we value most is predictability. And so LNS has been a good partner for us on our high pressure pumps, our bar feeders, our chip conveyors. So it's natural for us to go look to them for their solutions. I'm Sean Nelson. I'm the sales manager and brand manager for 168 Manufacturing. 168 Manufacturing produces a hardware and software solution for optimizing coolant in machine shops, and it's known as the Full Shop series of equipment. We felt we were in a unique position at Precision Tool Technologies to go ahead and test the LNS Venturi. When we had the Full Shop systems, we had a lot of prior state data on how much water, how much coolant we were using in the manufacturing cells that we were running around the clock unattended. And by putting in the Venturis, we were able to see that contrast in the usage of coolant, of water, and the differences were dramatic. We have data that shows on an annualized basis, the coolant consumption on some of these cells may be in excess of $5,000 in annualized savings. And to us, that's a powerful statement. And we're making recommendations to our customers to consider the LNS Venturi alongside the Full Shop automation equipment. One of the things we found interesting was how both solutions individually were very effective, right? The Venturi pump alone does a great job for what it's intended to do. The Full Shop system on its own does a great job on what it's intended to do, but we found an amplifying effect when they were put together where we could iterate and optimize the top-off ratios that go into machines. Through those iterations and through those optimizations, there's a very, very powerful ROI story in there about reduced consumption of coolant. There's a very powerful ROI story in there about not handling wet ships as much. And we think it's a solution that anybody in the metalworking industry should take a look at. Simply stated, the reason we like the Venturi product is it saves us time, saves us labor, and reduces our coolant spend.